Dickens said, and I quote, "Have a heart that never hardens, a temper that never tires, and a touch that never hurts." The loving and caring nature of a mother floats in our mind as we visualize the quote. However, an outline of another is in the shadows. The shadow of a nurse, the person whose care and patience knows no limits, yet firmness and boldness comes into play for her family's welfare.
We often imagine angels of heaven having wings and riding unicorns. However, some of them don a pair of gloves and scrubs.
Yes, nurses, the angels who walk in hospital corridors, impacting lives with each and every moment of their service.
Nurses are there when the last breath is taken, and nurses are there when the first breath is taken. They know the importance of joy during birth and also realize the need of comfort in death.
Death gives peace to the dead. The last smile of the patient gives peace to the living.
Too often, we underestimate the power of a touch, a smile, a kind word, a listening ear, an honest compliment, or the smallest act of action, all of which has the potential to turn a life around.
They take away the sadness and sufferings, divide it, and return with joy and hope, multiplied to lighten up the somber days. They are like a beacon of light, staying through the thick and thin of their patients.
The nurses over the years work with lots of patients. Most of them don't remember them, and they too tend to forget.
The truth, however, is that every patient takes away a part of her as they leave, thus leaving behind a thread of compassion, care, courage, and of course, memory. These things, when sewn together, make a tapestry of nursing.
Rotaract Club of Dipsuru is proud to present this initiative. As pharmacy students, we learn to dispense drugs in various dosage forms.
However, there are people out there who dispense comfort, compassion, and care without any prescription. Yes, we are talking about our beloved nurses. A smile in the morning, jokes, medications in the day, and an encouraging pat in the night is all that they do, oblivious to the power it carries.
Caring for one is love, while caring for hundreds is nursing, and they do it without a groan of annoyance or irritation.
This is because they understand. They understand the pain and agony it brings. They understand the yells behind that bouts of frustration.
Seemingly, they also understand the necessity of healing and magic it conjures.
Nurse. Just another word to describe a person who is strong enough to tolerate anything and soft enough to understand anyone. The trauma to see someone die and be helpless about it is something that shakes you to the core.
Nerves of steel and not quitting attitude saves the day. The cold day manner slips away at the heart-melting smile of a newborn, and the joy one feels at the recovery of a patient who had been through tough times.
When someone is going through a storm, your silent presence is far more powerful than a million empty words. Patients go through a tornado of emotions as they fight illness.
Anger, hopelessness, uncertainty, and distress all rolled into one. At that time, a bright smile, a tender touch, a pat on the back speaks a lot more than words ever could. Every day may not be wonderful, but there is something wonderful in every day. Little things make memories and anecdotes. True to itself, these words stand out.
Sometime of joy, sometimes of sacrifice, someone who showed impeccable strength, someone with astonishing character.
These moments shape the days and thus life, the life of a nurse.
The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. Simple words, heavily laced with meanings.
Not everyone finds their passion and works to make a living out of it, and even less use it as a compassionate service to others.
Nurses do that and a lot more, multiplying the caring caresses and dividing the suffering distress.